How to place any image onto a box in Photoshop. First, we will input the second image and resize it. Then, we will select the image, copy it, and press Ctrl+D to deselect. Next, create a new layer, go to the Filter menu, and click on Vanishing Point. After that, we will select the pen tool and draw a shape. Holding Ctrl to select the remaining points. Once selected, press Ctrl+V to paste the image, and then Ctrl+T to resize the image and apply it to the selected area. Press OK to confirm. Afterward, set the image layer to multiply. Double-click on the layer to adjust the color. Slightly modify the brightness and contrast. And boom! Our box wrapping is done.